do you actually solve a problem that you've been struggling with for a while? Well, you have to think differently, because like Einstein said, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result is a definition of insanity. So you have to try to get your mind to think differently, because we are all completely absorbed in our habits. 90% of what we do every day is habits. The way you get to think differently is to change your habits, even if it has nothing to do with the problem you're trying to solve. Just changing your habits, like dressing differently, eating differently, driving a different way to work, or going to bed early if you're used to going to bed late, and or the opposite. Just try to do everything differently or opposite. And it's actually hard to do, because that's gonna train your brain to think differently, and that way it can also come up with new ideas.